Let's do some work. Let's first of all just have a look at, hopefully, a clearer diagram, a bit like the one we had last time. Let's see if it will all go on the page. So this is a circuit. You can see it has 4 inputs. And 2 of the inputs, which I have color-coded, the red input controls the MUX at the bottom. And the blue input controls the next layer of MUXes along. So it's controlling this MUX, controlling that MUX. So the leftmost input of a MUX is the control input, or the selector, if you like. And then the other 2 say what should come out if the selector is 0, and what should come out if the selector is 1, respectively. So if we put in a 0 on the red circuit, the MUX will send this input to the output. So it'll be getting its signal from this MUX. And if we send in a 0 on the blue input, then this MUX will choose its output from this input. And that means that when red and blue are both 0, the output is the thing that will be computed by this circuit. Similarly, if red is 0 and blue is 1, the output will be computed by this circuit. That's just the way the switching works. If red is 1, we'll move over to the other half. And if blue is 0, then this MUX will select this output, and the result will be computed from the other 2 inputs by this circuit. And similarly, finally, if both the red input and the blue input are 1, then this MUX will look from here, this MUX will look from here, and the output will be computed by this circuit. So it's a way of saying, instead of building one enormous circuit to deal with all 16 cases, we split the problem up into half and half again, and build a smaller number of simpler circuits, but a larger number of smaller circuits to solve the problem. So it's a good way to go about trying to split up a hard problem into a bunch of easy ones. So is everybody seeing the idea behind this circuit? That these 2 inputs, all they're doing is controlling the MUXes, which select which of these 4 signals ends up coming out the output. And everyone see how that works? Remember, when MUX is 0, it takes from the middle. When the control selector is 0, it takes from the middle. And when the selector is 1, it takes from the right. So all we're doing is switching between 2 possible signals. MUX is short for multiplexer, and that's a stupidly long Latin word which means choosing between a bunch of signals. Okay, is that making more sense? Of course, you can always go back and check the video from last time. They're all online. All right.